Well, welcome to week 6. We have 3 more weeks to go. These last 3 weeks, what you're going to be doing is, first of all, you're going to deal with something called hypothesis testing. Now look, hypothesis is a formal term. What it really means is this: you got a problem, and you think you have solved that problem. So you're going to test your solution, and that's called testing a hypothesis. All right, and that's what you're going to do this week. And it gets a little bit more complicated. First of all, you're going to start out with the testing like, I believe that the average age of a baseball player in the United States is 47. Okay, that's one type of hypothesis. So, but we can also have testing hypotheses with 2 different means. In other words, what do you like better? You like Coke, you like Pepsi-Cola. So you might test the hypotheses that Coke tastes better than Pepsi. That would be a kind of like a double hypothesis testing. So that's what you're going to be doing this week. And then you're going to finish up by using studying something called correlation and causation. All right, and also, simple name for it is forecasting, and that will be the last thing that you'll be doing those last 2 weeks. Good. What you've done so far, the meat of the class, is you started out with what we call discrete probability distributions. That's when you try to predict that a whole number, like 3 people will do this. What's the probability that 3 people will do this? From discrete, you went to continuous, the normal curve. What's the probability that someone between the ages of 20 and 25 will win the lottery? Then we went into estimation. Estimation was exactly the same as of the chapter on normal curve, when we said, what's the probability that somebody between 20 and 25 will win the lottery? But in estimation, you say, well, I'm going to not only prove this, but I'm going to give you a confidence interval. I'm 95% certain that I'm right. Okay, now we're getting into a little bit more advanced, and that's the hypothesis testing. Okay, good luck. I think you're going to enjoy this section.